Okay, here we have a 2017 Acura TLX. Comes equipped with a tech package. It's a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine, automatic 8-speed. This is a Lunar silver metallic. It does have 17-inch aluminum wheels. A beautiful tint job already. Illuminated entry. And it has plenty of trunk storage. All weather floor mats. And the interior is beautifully equipped with black leather, wood panel. This has a push start, navigation, Bluetooth, nice display screen with a backup camera. It has a beautiful moonroof. This also has an Acura Navigation System, blind spot sensor warning as well.